Talking about the basic of internal genital structure, we will talk about what? We'll talk about our vagina, we'll be talking about uterus, we'll be talking about what? We'll be talking about fallopian tube, we'll be talking about what? We'll be talking about ovary. Right now, here talking about uterus, what we have got in uterus? In uterus, what? Okay, this is the topmost region of uterus. It is our fundus, right? Similarly, we have got what? This is what? This is our body of uterus, or body is also called what? It is also called corpus, right? Similarly, the lower region, what are these? This is our cervix, right? The cervix. Okay, now body, right? Body or body of uterus, it consists of what? The innermost, it is what? Endometrium, the thickest one, right? The muscular layer, myometrium, and what? The outermost one is perimetrium, right? Okay, now this uterine cavity, now here if you'll see the uterine cavity, it is seen triangular in shape. Now why it is seen triangular in shape? Because we are having coronal section right now, now this uterine cavity, it is continued, right? It continues with what? This cervical cavity. What is this region? This is our what? Cervical canal, right? Cervical canal. Internal cavity continues with cervical canal with the help of what is this? This is internal opening, right? And similarly, this cervical canal continues with vaginal canal with the help of what? External opening. Now this this cervix is also consisting of two different types. The inner one, it is endocervix, and the outer one, it is what? Ectocervix, right? This inner one, it is this is what? This is endo, and the outer one, it is ectocervix. Now if you'll see ectocervix, what is this ectocervix doing? It is protruding into the vaginal canal, right? Into vaginal canal. Because of this ectocervix protruding into vaginal canal, there are what? Hollow impression. If you'll see hollow impression, what are these? These are called our vaginal fornices, right? Vaginal fornices. Now here talking further, right? Let's go into what? Okay, what are these sac-like structure? What is this? This is double folded peritoneum. Everything that you'll see, what are these are double folded peritoneum, right? These are called broad ligament, right? What are these? These are our broad ligament. Now talking about broad ligament, into broad ligament also, right? What is this structure? This structure, it is called mesosalpinx, right? This is called mesosalpinx, that will connect fallopian tube, right? Fallopian tube to other part of broad ligament. And similarly, there is also what? There is also meso ovarium, right? Meso ovarium is also present here, but it is not clearly seen right now. Okay, that is also what? Meso ovarium is it is it is peritoneum that will help ovary to connect with other part of what? Broad ligament. Okay, now here if you'll see, right, talking about ligament, talking about ligament, if you'll see carefully, what we'll see here is, we'll see one ligament right here. This ligament, right, that is attached to ovary, it is called suspensory ligament of ovary, right? Suspensory ligament of ovary, or it is also called infundibulopelvic ligament, right? Infundibulopelvic ligament. It will attach ovary to lateral pelvic walls. Okay. Now talking further, right, what we have got? What is this? This is what? This is another ligament, that is ovarian ligament, right? This ovarian ligament is connected to ovary and to the part of uterus that is what? Cornu. At the corner, if you'll see at the corner, there are cornu of uterus. So this help in attaching this ovary to uterus. Okay. Now moving further to other ligament, and another ligament is our cardinal ligament. The meaning of cardinal ligament is that it is what? It is important ligament, as you'll see right here. What it will do is, it is the reason why the uterus that's up right here, uterus is above the cervix or vagina, right? Because of this ligament, right? It is holding uterus above this region, our cervix or our vagina, right? Now this cardinal ligament, it is also called lateral cervical ligament, and there is a special name for this cardinal ligament, and that's what is the special name for this is our Mackenroth ligament, right? Mackenroth ligament. Okay, now moving further, right? We have got what? We have got